Yeah, this is it. Okay, so basically I'm in the living room right now.
Good job! You might get it. Yeah! Good job, buddy. Go, Nicky! Go, Drew! He's getting recharged. Get it recharged. Get it recharged. More. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear nephews. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Love you!
What happened to your face? I beat him up. I give him sickos. Was that fun? Nicky, get Uncle Daryl, okay? You're gonna go? Dad's going. He's telling him. Next time.
It's only for boys.
Hi, only for boys.
I'm gonna get you. I'm coming after you, Roadrunner. 3, 2, 1. I'm coming.
Lori. Nathaniel?
Nathaniel? Nathaniel?
Oh,
Papa, go.
They're calling me. Go, Nicky! He's not supposed to tackle. Good job, Nicky.
Get on him.
Go! Yeah!
Oh, close.
Good job, Nicky! Are you serious?
Okay. That's gonna be a touchdown too.
Nicky, oh no!
Go, Nicky, go!
You were crying a few minutes ago, right? But now you're right back in it.
It's like, it lights up your face.
Let's go, Cowboys! Boom and boom. I hit the ball, right?
That looks so cool.
So that's the hit it, right?
Right.
I want to tie up.
Okay.
That looks cool.
Oh.
Go. You don't like when we kiss? Why?
I just don't like that.
But we're married.
Tonight?
We're always married. We got married 11 years ago, before you were born.
Well, I don't want to.
Okay.
So what do you want us to do?
Don't get married.
Don't get married?
Okay. Well, technically we won't because we already are.
You don't want Uncle Daryl to kiss me?
Nope.
Why?
Because you give her kisses, right?
You don't want to share me with Uncle Daryl?
Okay, only get married first. But I'm not the beater.
I'm okay.
You don't like me and Uncle Daryl together?
No, I don't like you, Underdale, and you to kiss.
To kiss?
Yeah, on your mouth.
Why? Because why?
Only and you get married, not.
Only when we get married are we allowed to kiss, but not any other time than that.
And you right here, don't kiss. And you're married. Oh, you're married.
Huh?
You're married already. Done.
We're already married.
Yeah.
I know. You're married already done. Yes or no?
Yeah, the marriage is already, it's going on. It's not done, it's still happening.
You want me and Uncle Daryl to get a divorce or something?
Yeah.
What?
Do you know what that means?
No.
Okay. You pray.
I don't know how.
You don't know how? Here's how you do it. You say, close your eyes. You say, Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for all of my blessings and my papas. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. And then you eat your papas, right?
Eat your papa.
Alrighty, you guys. So it's Sunday. It's May 23rd, 2021. And we just got back from the Valley, South Texas. We came to a house and check it out. The concrete is down. Yes, and we can kind of see where our neighbor's house is going to be and our other neighbor's house as well. So we are moving along, and then yeah, so our neighbor also has their concrete down, and that's the other house on the block. And there's more over there, of course, but yeah, this is our house. You want to step on the house for the first time together?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, come on, babes. Let's go. Let's step on the house.
Oh my gosh, we're in our front yard, our front door.
We're here. That's all the wood in the back. It's the side of the house. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so basically I'm in the living room right now. It's a nice little drop from our bay window to the ground. It's a good drop.
That is a good drop.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've always wanted this.
You do? Yeah, you've got it now.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I'm excited.
You excited? That's great, babes.
I have to go pee because we just came back
I have
down
to go
from the
pee, too.
valley. Oh my gosh, is that a door? I guess it's just trash. But guys, this looks so cool. I'm so excited.
It's great. Yeah, it's nice. Well, cool. This has been fun. Let's go home.